Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies perfectly round. First, ensure your dough is properly chilled. This helps prevent spreading. Next, use a cookie scoop to portion your dough. This ensures each cookie is roughly the same size, which is crucial for even baking. Finally, gently roll each scooped portion into a smooth ball before placing it on the baking sheet. This simple step sets the foundation for a perfectly round cookie. Once your cookies come out of the oven, while they are still warm and pliable, quickly grab a round cookie cutter. Choose one that is just slightly larger than your baked cookie. Place the cutter around a cookie and gently swirl it in a circular motion. This technique pushes the edges inward, creating a beautifully round shape. Work quickly, as the cookies firm up fast, making them harder to reshape. Baking on parchment paper or a silicone mat is essential for easy removal and helps maintain the cookie's shape. Make sure not to overcrowd your baking sheet. Leave at least 2 inches between each cookie. This prevents them from spreading into each other and losing their individual roundness. After baking, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set properly. If your cookies consistently spread too much, try adding an extra 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour to your dough. This can help absorb excess moisture. For even browning, rotate your baking sheet halfway through the baking time, especially if your oven has hot spots. And speaking of fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. With these tips, you'll be making perfectly round, delicious cookies every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.